Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie, and I am going to be teaching you everything self-sustainability on my channel. So I'm going to be teaching you guys gardening, urban farming. I'm going to teach you some hydroponics, composting, vermicomposting, as well as a few other DIY, natural, herbalist. You'll catch on when you start to watch more of my videos. But today I am going to be showing you guys how to grow stuff in a aero garden or a hydroponic system, or even a DIY at home, kit, DIY homemade hydroponic system. So if you stick around, I'm going to show you the seeds that I'm going to be growing today in my hydroponic system that I got off of Amazon. And then I'm going to explain everything and you guys can just keep watching. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be growing. These are Suzhou baby Bok Choy. I think they're going to grow well in the hydroponic garden, but I'm not too sure because this will be my first time trying it out. Now this is like a smaller size bok choy, so it's not going to get as big as like the regular bok choy would get, which is why I think it's going to do fine in here. And now what I did was, when you go to start some seeds in your hydroponic garden, your air garden, or your other hydroponic gardens, you want to soak your seeds for about 5 to 12 hours. So I had these seeds soaking overnight. And now I'm just going to take the seeds and I'm going to place 2 in each pod. So there goes 1. Sorry, I gotta wait for it to focus. And then I'm gonna do 2. And you're gonna do it just like that. And then you're gonna fill each one with 2 to 3 seeds, depending on how you wanna do it. I'm gonna do 2 just because I don't really like wasting my seeds. But I'm going to finish adding the rest. Oh, shoot. I don't know what happened to the seed. All right. So I'm gonna do those. And then last ones. All right, and once you're done doing that, just try to take your tweezers and knock them down a bit. Doesn't have to be perfect though. All right, and then I'm gonna come back in just a second to show you what to do next. Okay, so now that you have your seeds in the pods, you are going to put these domes over them. So what this does is, in order for your seeds to germinate properly, they need humidity and they need it to be warm. So these these domes are basically going to be your mini greenhouses to help those seeds get started. Once the seeds do start sprouting is when you're going to take these domes off. They're not going to be needed anymore. And also, if you live in warmer climates, you don't necessarily need these domes as long as the temperature is going to be above 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're just going to take these, put it over all of them. And then I don't know if you can hear it or see it, but the water in here is moving. What that does is the water helps to get some oxygen in that water. You definitely want a good flow rate and good oxygen in your water. Otherwise, things can start to get murky and dirty and nasty, and your roots can eventually rot. So you definitely want good water flow in this going. Yeah, you can kind of see it moving around a little bit. All right, now as you can see, I'm finished setting up. They are good to go. They're ready to start growing, and got my water level at 6.5 liters. So one of the things I actually like about these like aero gardens or hydroponic gardens is they're super easy, they're super fun. If you live in like a small apartment, or if you're not able to start a garden, these are, you know, a really great option for people who are kind of limited on space. And I think it's great because you can grow year round with these hydroponic gardens. So you always get that fresh access to food, especially in the winter time like now. All right, so everything's done for now. We are going to do an update video in a week just to track our progress, check our growth, see if anything sprouted or germinated, and then we'll go from there. So make sure you check in next week for the next video. Bye.